Mastercam's Swarf milling toolpaths create multi-axis motion that keeps the side of the tool in contact with the selected surfaces or solids, creating better surface finishes along the walls. New in Mastercam 2027 are two new options within the multi-cuts setting. Let's take a look. Within the multi-cuts page, we've always had the option to morph between the upper and lower edges of the wall, while providing a number of depth steps to be spaced evenly along the wall. This works great and helps produce a great surface finish along the walls. Well, what happens if the wall varies in height, like we see here? Well, our morph toolpath still works, but as you can see, the short areas contain tighter passes, while the taller areas see the passes spread out. Okay, so to build on this scenario, where we're not dealing with a consistent wall height, we could adjust our pattern and set it to step from bottom or step from top. And this would produce tool motion that machines just the affected walls. However, as we see here, we have more areas where the tool disengages and then re-engages the material. And we also have additional bleed in and out motion. So although this is an improvement, in some situations like this, it might not be as efficient or quite what we want. And that brings us to Mastercam 2027. Our new pattern option, Align with Longest Contact Line, helps address these cases. This setting creates cuts parallel to the upper curve of the Swarf geometry, but through the entire depth of the wall. The result is more evenly spaced depth steps along the entire region, regardless if portions of the geometry are shorter or taller. This gives us more uniform passes along the wall, providing more consistent surface finish along the uneven areas. Another enhancement is Align with Cutting Part. This provides a single cut, allowing you to generate a single pass along the Swarf geometry, using the upper curve of the Swarf geometry to guide the tool. This is useful in certain geometric scenarios where you're looking for more desirable toolpath motion with your geometry. Our Swarf multi-axis toolpaths can be used for 3, 4, or 5-axis machining, truly simplifying some pretty complex toolpath motion. And these new enhancements add to the functionality within our Swarf toolpath, ensuring that you'll spend less time programming and more time machining.